Mr. Dan Bercasio, Executive Director of Gawad Kalinga, who will share the vision and direction of Gawad Kalinga and initiative. Give him a round of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone. Magandang umaga. So I won't make this long because we're all excited to see what we are launching today. But allow me first to share a bit of our deep gratitude for all of you for coming over. Maraming salamat po. I like the illustration here because aside from we are launching a series of Fs, letter Fs. This partnership is also, or this event is also rooted on more Fs. And that is, number one, is friendship. Diba? Kasi this started with the friendship between Vanessa, Doc Alex, GK, and now Sophia, and now we have Cruel, and all of you. For those who invited you here, it's because you are friends with someone here. So this is rooted on friendship. Kasi mahalaga po yun. Para sa atin, while above the ground, we see greens, but also it is rooted also on more essential aspects of this partnership. And another F, I believe, is yung faith, pananampalataya. We firmly believe that yung lupa natin, it speaks about God's gift to us, that we have the capacity to produce blessings, that we have the capacity to support life. Ang lupa, binigay sa atin ng Panginoon para magbigay buhay. So kailangan natin yan ibalik. We need to bring back the capacity of our people to produce food and support life. But more importantly, it also faith on our shared humanity. Because we may be in an archipelago, but the waters that divide Philippines and Taiwan, our forefathers look at that not as a boundary, but as a passageway to connect to people. That's why this speaks deeply about our shared humanity. And lastly, another F is yung utang natin to para sa ating mga kabataan. We owe this to the next generation. I myself, I'm now 50 years old. I am part of what has become of the country. Now we have so much problems. I'm also guilty about it. And I want to make sure that I'll be passing on a better Philippines. Especially for our kids, for the next generation Filipinos. And another friend came from NCIP, National Commission for Indigenous People. My good friend, Sir Adonis. So this is also this speaks about what's under the ground. Is also that responsibility for the next generation. Maraming salamat.